Hey guys, Electron Man. Well, check it out. That glass fit perfect. Doesn't that look nice with glass and all lit? Well, we got her all back together. I'd like to find some furniture polish. I think I could really polish it up and make it even prettier. It's all back together. It's actually not. It's not as ugly as it was anyway. It's actually, I'm kind of growing on it. It's kind of not a bad looking little radio. Here's just some of the capacitors. I think I counted like 17, but that's a majority of them there. Some of them are so stinky I ended up throwing them away when I was pulling them, but that's all the caps that went in it. And we'll kind of do a little drive through. I'll probably do a final video where we really do some serious surfing on it, but I kind of want to just show you what I found so far. I'm actually for just tuning it by ear and with a RF generator, she tuned out pretty good. But let me just turn her up here and we'll just kind of go through a little tuning here. This is on the band 2 Shortwave. I'm not going to show you AM. AM's got plenty of channels, but that's
against homosexuality.
2.
Oh, he definitely has a serious problem, because I think of quite a few different people along.
Now, just answer my question. Do you think it's good or bad?
It's bad.
How stupid I was. We just don't understand. Then the geek does them wrong. Mr.
And Tone works real good on it. Here, listen to Tone.
Mr. 16-year-old has got all this
Lower.
sterling, this goodwill, want to be faithful, and wants a
Flat.
relationship, don't want
That's
just
bass.
to fling, don't want to just play around, don't want to
That's
just get
treble.
their pants. They want a real relationship at 16.
Actually, that's bass, treble, and noise reduction.
And he wanted that same relationship with a couple other girls at the party the other night.
Anyway, let's continue
You're
to see if we
heartbroken.
can surf a little more.
Here's all back. There's the land. It's hollow.
Is that 6 or 7? And I've been through like 1 megahertz.
100 of the Earth by the country, so its impact beyond the sensitive area of self-care is impacting the entire economy. Okay, so de literatura nos vamos al séptimo arte y laトークのテーマは子供のしつけについてです。Today. Okay, I want to share now with you a few stories of children getting injections, getting their vaccines. Although, usually children run away from needles, this is not the case apparently.
How's that, like 11, 12? Been through maybe a megahertz.
Righteousness did Noah do? He just found grace, and under grace, God showed him what he was doing. Told him that was
de la música iberoamericana, volvió a publicar una serie de críticas a la revolución cubana, a la que llama decadente y torpe.
good pleasure among us in this hour.
Yeah, you get the gist. I mean, anyway, that's 2 megahertz. Let's switch over to AM. Cool thing is the buttons actually work. Check this out.
Governor, in some cases it's in a city in your state. Or
if you want to protect all of those investments.
Meanwhile, gold and silver prices have skyrocketed.
I need to find out how to set those buttons. They were preset this way, but
that is united, inclusive, and representative.
Bishops at that moment. You know, we've got the spike in with the Delta variant.
You see that eye and that cool?
The blue variant.
On 102.3 KRMG, Tulsa.
Involved in a gun crime.
We have to get on something like that.
The pilot program.
Military uniforms, sniper rifles.
Nature, hope, kindness, and allow.
My friend Mike Lindell has a passion to help everyone get the best sleep of their lives. You need to stop by.
Minutes and Grill Foods Fast. So you have more time to enjoy the pre-game festivities. USA-made Solaire infrared grills will make you the master of the tailgater with the juiciest, most flavorful food.
She's got a really nice full sound to her too. Hopefully this camera's picking it up, but it's got a nice sound to it. Whoops.
Made from the best of fresh ingredients. They even use a homemade
iodine air in our first box. We noticed a difference, especially with the shedding.
Within 3 weeks, she's not scratching.
I'm not, politically, it's obviously a terrible moment for Biden. Let's get into a little bit of this. I already told you about the Taliban conducting...
Man, I am in politics. My God.
All right, and can you be fair in a case involving a Hispanic woman, a black woman and her family, an illegal alien family,
cool.
Enrique and his family?
Anyway, guys, I think you're getting the gist.
Racist drug dealer.
We definitely brought this one back up from nothing. Really happy with it. I'll probably do one more, maybe get it on the stand and see if I can't find some furniture polish and polish it up a little bit. I'm really happy with my glass cutting. That turned out really good. Cool radio. I'm really kind of digging on it now. I'm actually kind of surprised. It's got a really sensitive front end on it. I could, I wished I had a service manual on it. I'd tune it to specs. I just kind of tuned it to best I could get on the high and low. Kind of went from 6 megahertz up to 18 megahertz in that band, and kind of tried to get the best I could on both sides. I could get it real strong on one side, but then it kind of lose it on the other side, and I just kind of kept tweaking until I centered it. But I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously it works well, and that's inside of a steel build, and I am using my long wire though. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed this series. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna see if I can get me some furniture polish and polish up the outside. But man, big change from what it was. I managed to heat these up and get them to where they lay pretty nice and flat. They're not perfect, but not bad. It's got its scars. I mean, it's 80 years old, but cut a piece of glass as you saw. All the lights are working, and I just left the incandescent in it since they're working. Figured I didn't need to put LEDs in there. I will as they go out. Don't know if there's anything else I can show on it. One for the books. Like I said, I'll probably do one surfing one, maybe, but basically she's back together now and repaired. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And guys, have a great day.